Bangladeshi go back, go back, go back. Kubagira long leg, long leg, long leg. Dipramotha long leg, long leg, long leg. Kubagira long leg, long leg, long leg. Dipramotha long leg, long leg, long.
Now, so what has been the notification? How do you see into the role of the state government on it?
Definitely, as a member of Debbarma party, not as a minister, I must tell you that the whole country knows that lakhs of people influxed in Tripura from Bangladesh, and then the move taken by the central government. We really appreciate it. We thank Honorable Union Home Minister as well as Honorable Prime Minister of the country for this historic decision to push back the illegal migrants from our country. And the way in the state of Assam, Gujarat and in many other states, the pushback process is happening. It is really wonderful. When we see the condition in Tripura in the context of pushback process in our state, Debbarma party, we are not happy about it. And that's why today all the ministers, MLAs, MDCs and honorable EMs of TTADCs, we have come together. This is not the total program of Debbarma party, but part of the people. Only the politically elected representatives of Debbarma party, we initiated this movement. We would like Honorable Prime Minister to know that nothing much is happening for pushback in Tripura, and we want his interference, and we demand all the ministers, MLAs, MDCs and EM, we demand that central task force to be sent in Tripura, and directly it should be monitored by central government, and the aspirations of the people of Tripura, be it SC, ST, OBC, all sections of people who are real citizens of this country, our demand is they should be identified and they should be pushed back.
What do you think? What is the reason behind the state government? It seems is little reluctant about it.
I don't know the reason. That's why this movement.
Have you spoken with your cabinet colleagues?
See, when the notification comes, all the ministers, they receive the notification. It is a secret document. It is a confidential document. Definitely more than me, all other senior ministers and even Honorable Chief Minister, who's looking after of the Department Home Ministry, Mobile Task Force, there is one section, wing, whose work is to catch the illegal migrants entering in India and pushing them back. So I can only appeal to the Honorable CM that there should be a strong review of the. Now, common man in standing, you can catch Bangladeshis every day at least 100. 100 people can be caught and they can be pushed back. So I think being a minister in the cabinet, I can appeal to him. And as a worker or leader of Debbarma party, I can tell that the interference of Prime Minister is very much required.